guys, back at it with another video again. Now yesterday I did upload a video on these shoes, and now I'm just wanting to show you the finishing touches. I did already add the acrylic finisher onto the shoe, so now I can start wearing them. Of course you have to let it dry before you add the acrylic finisher, but I waited about, let's say, an hour and a half, and I did add the acrylic finisher to it. This is what the shoe looks like when it's completely done. Everything is dry, the paint is no longer wet, and as you can see, it does have a sort of gloss to it. As you can tell, that's what the acrylic finisher does to the shoe. It's a finisher. Basically, it makes the paint more stronger. Now I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like close up. Give me 1 second. Here's a close up on the shoes. You can already see the gloss toward the top left corner. The shoe is dry, people. Nice detailing. And if you're wondering, I am using my phone, iPhone 6s. And the gloss, I added up to the line right here. Gloss, and I added the gloss up to just there. So the rest of the shoe has whatever, you know, the matte finish. Here's the other shoe. Everything is finished. The shoe does gloss. I'm not sure if you guys like it, but it's something that you have to do in order for the paint to dry correctly. So that's a closer look. The laces as well. The laces did dry. It will not come out. Got some in there. These shoes are a size 10. They are a little tight on me, but you know, I'm gonna still wear them. Now I'm gonna go to the original point of why I made this video, so I'll be back. Now I'm back. Now I'm gonna show you guys why I made this video today. Now as you can see, these shoes have scuff marks which won't come out with just your ordinary dish soap. They also have one right here. Some people might say it's not worth it. These shoes are really messed up, but I like these shoes a lot. So I'm going to be showing you guys what you need and how to get rid of scuff marks on any kind of leather or pan leather, whatever, suede. Not suede, but yeah. You will need nail polish remover, non-acetone. I recommend any kind of nail polish remover that has some, maybe 5% acetone. If you get pure acetone, it may mess up the paint because it's very strong. And you also need cotton balls, but I don't have cotton balls, so I'm going to be using these napkins. So basically what you're going to want to do is first clean off the shoe, which I already have done. Review the marks of scuffs. Now, as you can see, it's right here. So what I'm going to do is pour a little bit of nail polish remover onto the napkin. Now, key thing you should know, if you already have not known, is that nail polish remover and acetone do dry if you don't put on the cap. So always put on the cap after you finish. So what you're gonna want to do is you're just gonna want to, you know, scrub the shoe slowly, not too hard because you don't want to mess up the paint. And just lightly go over the areas that do have the scruffs. As you can see, the scruff did come out because the napkin is black. Now, as I said, this doesn't come out with any ordinary soap and water, so you're gonna have to use this method. And basically go over the shoe lightly because you don't want to take off the paint. So go ahead and get out the scruff marks. So basically just lightly scrub the areas. It also works for the air bubble as well. Air bubble is very dirty. I just saw a lot of scruffs on this shoe, so give me 1 minute. Again, just lightly. You don't need too much, take your time. And there's a big scruff right here. You can see there's a big scruff on the bottom. I'm gonna get rid of that right now. Just wasn't sure what I was gonna upload today, but I saw these shoes and I was like, might as well clean them up. Haven't worn them in a few days. I do wear them on a regular basis, so that's why I wanted to clean them. Everything else looks clean. I got rid of the scuff on the side. As you can see, is no longer there. It has a big black mark. And now I want you to see the scuff on this shoe right there. That black mark will now be taken off. Give me 1 second. So what you're gonna do is, again, napkin, acetone, lightly take it off. You can already see that it's coming right off. Might take a little more elbow grease, but it does get the job done. And like I said, you have to be careful because you might take off some of the first layer of paint, so I would do it nice and slow. I wouldn't suggest just doing many times because over time you will eventually take off the paint. So I would do this every once in a while, not too much. Just one more and I'll be done. I'm actually going to show you what happens when you do it a little too rough. As you can see, I have a little bit of red on the napkin. That's because I pressed it too hard and I actually removed some of the paint. You won't really tell, but I would just do it very lightly and try not to remove any other red paint. This also works for trying to remove paint as well because I have paint on the air bubble. So as you can see, it got a little bit more red, not a lot. It won't like remove a whole stuff of paint, but as you can see, I did tone it down. You can't really tell because it is actually a deep mark, but I did remove a lot of blackness that I had. Now basically those were the only two major scuffs on this shoe. Overall the shoe is pretty beat, but I did clean them down to wearable. As you can see, it has the two holes, but I like these shoes a lot and I'm gonna wear them until they fall apart. Hopefully not anytime soon. But as you can see, the process did not take long. It's very fast and easy. And your mother or grandmother should have this in the house somewhere. So just ask them for it and you'll be good to go. Just need a couple napkins. But it's best to use cotton balls. But if you don't have, you can also use napkins. It's not really a big deal. So, also, if you have any other topics that you recommend me to do, I do repainting on Air Jordan, such as 3-4 or whatever the case is. I will be providing a video with that soon. I just need a pair to do it on because I don't have it right now. And I also have a screen press that I want to do a review on and show you guys how it works. Actually, let me actually make this video a little bit longer and show you what I have done with the screen press, and then I will show you in the next video how to use it. Damn it. Okay. Okay. This sweatshirt right here is one of the sweatshirts I have already made for my company. That design was done by me and my friend AJ. And also I want you to notice the size tag. The size tag does have Wait, let me get a better view. The size tag does have the company's name with our sizes, and it says made in NYC at the bottom. I'm sorry if it's reversed, but yes, this is all done by us. The fabric was cut by us. We actually purchased it from a store downtown. We'll provide a link in the description. But that is one of the sweatshirts we have done. We also have t-shirts. Give me 1 second. We also have t-shirts, and we made a hat, but the hat's already sold out. My apologies. Now this is one of the shirts, and we also have it in blue if you guys would like to see. This is one of our shirts, another one of our designs, pocket, and then we have the tag right there. Not sure if you could see it. This comes in small, large, and extra large. We have out of medium and running low on smalls and larges. Now I will show you the blue. Now this one, the tag is messed up. It is a sample for myself, which didn't go to the public. As you see, the tag is messed up, but this one comes in white. Hope you guys like it. For any other info, please let me know in the comment section below. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to get you more videos as soon as possible. Thank you.